Okay, so today I'll be giving you some of the advanced F2L algorithms and also some intuitive way to do them. So it will be a lot of fun. So let's get right into it. Here is the first one. It is the rotationless back insert, or basically it is just this one in this case, but it is at the back. Okay, so here is how you do it. Just do this. Okay, like this. Let's do that again. Okay, here we go. Let me just show you that in a bit slower version. So the finger tricks are as follow, like this. Then you have to do the U prime with this finger, then R, U, and then the slice move. Okay, that's pretty easy, right? Only thing which I mean to say is you need to be rotationless whenever you solve any F2L pair. So here we have to solve this case, but the pair is over here. So what the intuitive F2L says that you need to set them up like that and then insert them. But here what you should do instead is something like this, like that. The thing which I like most about this algorithm or the intuitive solution for this one is that it solves the case in the back rotationlessly, so that we have an open unsolved slot over here which helps us in look ahead, like that. Here in this case, intuitive F2L says that you need to take this pair out and insert it like that. So here what you should do instead is pair them up like this, okay, and insert it with a sledgehammer. Now let's do that again. So here we have this. So what we actually do is we pair them up with this case, the 3 move one. We pair them and we have now a solved pair yet to insert. So we can just do it with this sledgehammer like that. Easy, right? You can use a sledgehammer in this situation where you have an L shape on top and a pair yet to insert. So instead of just inserting it like this, which is not a good way, you can do a sledgehammer like this, which will orient the edges, and you can now just directly go into the OLL. So on number 3 we have this situation where you have edge inserted but the corner is not. What people do is like this, but what you should do instead is what is known as keyhole. So you may just replace this one to here, then insert the corner over here like this and undo that move, just like that. You can also try it with the edge also. So what you may just do is replace this one with any unsolved corner, then insert this edge over here and then undo this move. As simple as that. On number 4 is this thing. It is just a U. Okay, I'm not kidding, but what I actually mean for U is this U. This is a special finger trick for U. Okay, so when it comes to this case, what we can do is this. We can just push it now, and over here push again and down. Hope you got it. Number 5 is this one. So this is adopted from Felix's 3.33. So it is just this case. Okay, so what we tend to do is something like this, but what he did was something like this: wide F, R, F prime. Wait a second. Okay, so when I first saw that, I was like, wow. Because that was not the thing which I've ever experienced or came across in my solves. Okay, so I just came across another one while I was practicing. So this is the case. Okay, so we have the edge over here and the corner needs to be flipped. So what people tend to do is this, like this, but no. Okay, so what we have to do is a sledgehammer, which I showed you previously. And then we have to just insert it. Simple as that. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one.